My name is Lauren Forni, and I am the Director of Clinical Solutions at KitCheck. I am a pharmacist, and I was actually a KitCheck customer before I joined the KitCheck team, and I help hospitals operationalize our various solutions. So KitCheck is a technology solutions company that focuses on tracking medications from the manufacturer all the way through to the patient, really honing in on improving operational efficiency as well as focusing mainly on patient safety. RFID technology is KitCheck's namesake solution and where we started. RFID technology is information stored in a tag that gives you the unit level detail to any medication or item within your hospital, tracking NDC, lot, and expiration date, all within that tag on the product. You scan it in the station and it gives you all of that information you need, and you can track it on a cloud-based solution as well. So RFID technology in the hospital can be used in a multitude of different ways. It's tracking each unit level. It can also be used on your shelved bins, as well as kits, trays, and trays within automated dispensing cabinets in the OR as well. That RFID technology tracks all of the information you need on a cloud-based solution, and you can access that information from any computer at any time, giving you information as to when your kits are expiring, when kits and trays need to be reworked, what unit level detailed information on each item within each kit and tray. When you're notified of an expiring medication or a recalled item, the solution will also give you the detail on where that item is located within your hospital, so you can easily go and retrieve that item, kit, or tray from whatever location it's at within your facility. As a hospital implementing RFID technology, it's important to start thinking about your process from your central pharmacy all the way through to how you're utilizing the RFID technology in various kits and trays throughout the hospital. So really leveraging the RFID tags on your shelved bin inventory to track expiration dates on your shelf, really getting ahead of when items need to be used before they expire, and in locations where you know that they're going to be used because you have that utilization data in your software solution. Leveraging that throughout your entire process is really important to optimize your inventory, improve efficiencies, and really focus and hone in on patient safety. RFID technology can also assist in the OR space in terms of reporting and analytics. Those reports can be leveraged through the software solution and gives you that unit level detailed information that you need to make proper inventory management decisions, giving you information on what items were consumed, what items were removed. From an analytical perspective, if you set your par level to a certain quantity, when are you meeting or exceeding that quantity, and what was the average quantity used on a given day, week, or month. And really that detailed unit level information helps you with 340B compliance as well, knowing what items down to the NDC, lot, and expiration are present in the OR at a given time, so you can really optimize your workflows, your operations, your inventory, and patient safety. Fagron Sterile Services partnered with KitCheck and has products that come RFID enabled, so they're already tagged for you when you receive them in the hospital, really decreasing the operational lift of hospital pharmacies.